Good morning to you all. I'm very happy to deliver this presentation on the topic of introduction of the lesson. Let's go to the lesson. This is the first step of the lesson progress. Here teacher introduces the lesson and should take great effort on this part because by introducing the lesson, teacher motivates the students, gets their attention, initiate their learning to be continued and develop their willingness to involve in continuous learning. Let's see how can we do it. There are some ways. I mentioned 4 ways. One is using flashcards. Flashcards of the type of images, photographs, pictures or diagrams or drawings, graphs, words, letters. And second one is starting with small games and doing a role play, and finally using simple activities. Firstly, we will see about what is flashcards. As the name says, they can be flashed. That means shown quickly to the learner to elicit a quick response. And under the category of flashcards, the images, pictures and photographs are included. Today, most of the people consider these three are synonyms. That means they are same, but they are not same. Let's see the differences among image, photo and picture. Firstly, image. Image is any visual object that is modified or altered by a computer or an imaginary object that is created using a computer. Photo, anything taken by a camera, digital camera or photocopier. And picture, picture is a drawing, painting or artwork created on a computer. A picture is also used to describe anything created using a camera or scanner. We see how can images be used in the lesson introduction part. In grade 8 science subject, unit 5 is sources of sound. There are three sources of sounds: vibrating membranes, vibrating air columns, and vibrating strings or bars. So in the lesson introduction part, it is better to continue the teaching learning part, that is the categorization of sources of sound. Teacher asks the students name these instruments. This is very good introduction, and actually the time allocation for the lesson introduction is 3 or 4 minutes. Photos. Here some photos are shown. These are about microorganisms. In grade 8 science subject, the first unit is importance of microorganisms. Under that, the first one is about microorganisms. This is for first period, and the second period normally the effects of microorganism. So when the teacher starts to teach this second period, that is effects of microorganism on food, teacher can recall the prior knowledge of students on microorganism, so that to identify the microorganism, this identification can be done in the lesson introduction part. So these photographs are very useful using in lesson introduction part to continue the lesson. Pictures. Pictures can also be used in the lesson introduction part. Here a plant and animal cells are mentioned. So teacher can ask the students to label the organelles present in both cells and the common leaf arrangement. There are three types of leaf arrangements are given, and a picture of dicot plant. Here also labeling the parts of the plant can be given. Graphs. Here some graphs are shown. Teacher can use this graph too in the lesson introduction part appropriately. Work cards. Here we will see how can work cards be used in the lesson introduction part. Here life cycles of housefly, butterfly and cockroach are considered, and the stages of life cycles are two given, and using this teacher can organize one activity. This will induce or engage the students in the continuous learning. We will see how it is like that. Here that activity is mentioned. You see in the life cycle the stages are adult, egg, larva or caterpillar and pupa. So this activity will induce the students to go further learning. Let us see how letters can be used in the lesson introduction part. So here this is a very interesting activity. Students will eagerly do this one. So teacher first day taught this writing symbols of the elements. So the next day when going to start the lesson, teacher can recall the knowledge of writing symbols of elements, how at what level the students have. So this is a very simple activity. We will see that one. Here the calcium, then oxygen element, and magnesium, nitrogen, sodium, sulfur, hydrogen, carbon, argon, and finally chlorine. So it's a very interesting activity. Teacher can try to do this type of techniques in the lesson introduction part. It is warmly welcome. Starting with a small game. This is another way used in the lesson introduction part. Here smiley faces are used. They represent the students. So one student poses question to the class, and another student who is going to answer is given thinking, that is thinking time is given. That students here face to answer. So another student gets that opportunity. That student answers. The answer is correct. So like that, this game can be again and again done using different questions. This is another interesting activity. It is a role play. Teacher can use these strategies in lesson introduction part because students will eagerly involve doing this activity. So here teacher welcomes some students to do this role play. So one student acts as a magnet, the other students having the materials which has magnetic properties or does not have. So let's do this activity. Here the iron dust, it has magnetic properties. and the safety pin, paper clips and coins. So they are attracted by the magnets. The other two are not. Using a simple activity, that is testing acidic, basic and neutral substances using blue litmus paper and red litmus paper. The substances which are going to be tested are listed here. This simple activity is very efficient used in the lesson introduction part, because in this lesson teacher plans to testing the acidic, basic and neutral substances using some more advanced indicators, for example phenolphthalein and methyl orange, so that to recall the prior knowledge of acidity and basicity and the neutral substance, how to find out using the litmus paper, it can be done with the help of students in the lesson introduction part. It is a very good activity. Thanks for watching. Drop a like, leave a comment and share it.